Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to add a phone number to your Outlook mail. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Outlook mail. So I have my Outlook mail already logged in. So once you log into your Outlook mail, it's take you right here. And for you to add a phone number in order to secure your Outlook mail account, what you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on this three slider from the top corner right here. Let's take you right here, scroll down all the way down until you get to settings right here. Click on settings. Let's take you right here. Go ahead and click on account. And go ahead and click on view account. That's going to take you to your account info right here. Next thing you want to do is simply scroll down. Scroll down. And go ahead and click on edit account info. Then scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on add phone number. It's take you right here. So by default, you have your country code right here. Next thing you want to do is to enter your mobile number right here. So I'm going to enter my phone number right here, 8135. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to use your Microsoft account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.